Hello and welcome back to the Cheeky Science Show. So I thought I'd do something different again in this video and tell you 10 biology jokes that I quite like. So one of the best ways to break the ice with people is to make a joke. And I feel like not quite enough people do it these days, besides like the horrific jokes that you hear on Christmas Day. Although I actually quite like some of those. So I've scoured the internet and my own brain and my own inventiveness to come up with a list of the top 10 biology related jokes. Basically, it's me telling jokes for 5 minutes. What more could you really want? So, joke at number 10. So, today in my biology lesson, we were dissecting an eye, and so I kept trying to think of puns. But to be honest, they just kept getting cornier and cornier. Number 9. What did Gregor Mendel say when he founded genetics? Whoopee. I'm having too much fun with this. Joke number 8. Did you hear about the famous microbiologist who travelled in 30 different countries and learned to speak 6 languages? Well, he was a man of many cultures. Joke number 7. So, we just hired a new molecular biologist. Wow, isn't he small? Joke number 6. So, there were 2 plants, and one plant said to the other, "Are you hungry?" And the other replied, "I could use a light snack." Joke number 5. So, Paige had spent hours, well, many hours, writing her biology dissertation, and today was the day where she could finally hand it in to the lecturer. So, the lecturer, just quickly flicked through her dissertation, but realised something was missing. And the lecturer went, "Where's your appendix, Paige?" "Easy," Paige said, and she points to her lower abdomen. So now we're down to joke number 4. Hello class. Today we'll be learning about the liver and the pancreas. Up in the gallery of the lecture room, one medical student leaned to the other and said, "Damn, if there isn't one thing I can't stand, it's an organ recital." Down to joke number 3. So there was a red blood cell, and the red blood cell decided it wanted to go to a very busy restaurant. So from personal experience, if you ever go to a restaurant when it's very busy, you're often asked if you want to sit up at the bar. So as expected then, the hostess asked, "Would you like to sit at the bar?" The red blood cell kind of, shrugged it off and replied, "No thanks, I'd rather circulate." Oh, down to joke number 2. For my PhD project, I decided to grow human vocal cords from stem cells in the lab. Well, the results speak for themselves. Okay, so we're finally down to joke number 1. But before I do the big reveal, I just want to say, if you disagree with my choices or have even better jokes to share, I would love to hear them. I could add them to my repertoire. And so on to this final joke, which I'm being a little bit biased because this is my own personal joke. Well, not personal as in I made it up myself. Anyway, the final joke. So the protocol said next to spin at top speed for 10 minutes. Well, I passed out after 2. Well, that's it for my top 10 biology themed jokes. I hope you enjoyed them, and yeah, if you have any others, I'd love to hear them. I just really like telling jokes. Anyway, thanks for listening.